Hello, I'm David. I teach English Received Pronunciation, as in British English. Recently, I've created my own audio guide, which is made up of several lessons. In each lesson, I compare similar sounds and teach you how to make the mouth shapes for each sound. In the following lesson, you will learn the difference between two consonants, the letter R, R as in red, and the letter W, W as in when. I hope you find it useful. Keep practicing.
Lesson 8. The difference between R as in red and W as in when.
Before beginning this lesson, you should already have practiced R as in red in the previous lesson and W as in when in lesson 5. Remember, R is formed by pointing the tip of the tongue above the ridge behind your top teeth, but not making contact, then bringing the tongue down quickly and adding voice. R, R, R. Red,
Red, red, red. Ring, radio, reason, green, bridge, hurry. I shall ring you tomorrow after reading your report.
Now W, as in when. Bring the lips almost into the position for oo, as in roof, the lips coming forward and very rounded. But before actually making the oo, pull the lips back quickly and strongly, adding voice, and moving into the following vowel. W, W, W. When,
When, when, when. Whale, winter, weather, between, twist. Let's while away the winter beside this large warm fire.
Now the difference between the two sounds. R is formed by pointing the tip of the tongue up and bringing it down sharply. W is formed by bringing the lips forward and rounded and pulling them back quickly and strongly. Try alternating the two sounds. R, W, R, W, R, W. Red, when, red, when, red, when. Here are some words and sentences which include a mixture of the two sounds.
Railway, warrant, reward, worry, warrior, borrowed, rowing. Richard's friend Robert always wanted to win the record. The rich widow would not rest until she had rescued the ring. When I recommended William, I hadn't remembered his wedding. I'm sorry. The porridge was only warm and rather runny.
If you'd like to learn more about English pronunciation, you might like to watch my other videos. Alternatively, you can listen to my audio guide, English Pronunciation, a Clear and Simple Guide, which is available to download from Amazon or iTunes, either in 2 parts or as single tracks. Simply follow the link below.